Hi guys, this is an introduction video to Poultry Farming Masterclass 2026. And in this video, we are going to break down who the course is meant for and the benefits that you'll get after learning throughout this course. If you're new here today and wondering who I am, my name is Joseph Mutugi, a senior software engineer and a part-time poultry farmer. Currently managing 1,000 layers with a projection of 3,000 by the end of the year. So if this is the kind of content that you would like to see and that interests you, kindly consider subscribing and also putting on notifications so that we can notify you anytime when we release a new episode on Poultry Farming Masterclass 2026. So, in this masterclass course, who is it meant for? This masterclass course is meant for aspiring poultry farmers. These are farmers who are still doing their research on whether to venture on poultry or whether not to venture in poultry. So this course will help these aspiring farmers to make a decision whether this is the direction that they would want to go or not. It's also a course meant for already exercising poultry farmers. These are farmers already who have experience in poultry farming and who would want to know the best practices or also to scale up their business. This course will be very helpful for them, for we'll be giving pro tips that will separate a good poultry farmer to a better poultry farmer. It's also meant for scholars. These are students who are studying matters poultry farming, to give them also adequate knowledge in their studies. What are we going to cover and the benefits of this course? So this course will start from the breeds and types of poultry all the way to culling and marketing of poultry products. In between, we will divert to exotic layers. We won't pick the path of indigenous and exotic broilers. We'll pick the exotic layers path. So basically, this is a course meant for commercial poultry farmers. We will go through the types, the setting up, building of structures, equipments that poultry farmers use. We'll go to vaccination and the best practices on vaccinating your chicken. We will go all the way to feed formulation, the components required for a healthy feed. We will also be comparing between commercial feeds and your own made feeds. We'll get the advantages and both disadvantages. We will also be comparing between layers, broilers, layers, and the improved kienyeji, to give you more light on what you can pick for your business depending on your needs, depending on your market. We will also go through biosecurity, the feeding programs, brooding. So we will extensively cover from the beginning to the end, and also assist you with the market research of your product, and also give you pro tips of how to run and consistently run a profitable poultry farming business. So if this is the kind of materials that interest you, kindly consider subscribing, and see you in the next episode.